As of September 2021, the following are some examples of high dividend yield stocks. Please note that the stock market is dynamic, and the dividend yields of these companies might have changed since then. Always conduct up-to-date research before making any investment decisions. AT&T Inc. T. A telecommunications company known for its steady dividend payouts. Verizon Communications Inc. VZ. Another major telecommunications company with a history of paying dividends. Exxon Mobil Corporation, XOM, an energy company engaged in oil and gas exploration and production. Chevron Corporation, CVX, a multinational energy corporation with operations in oil, gas, and petrochemicals. Pfizer Inc. PFE, a pharmaceutical company that develops and manufactures medications. Johnson & Johnson, J&J, a diversified healthcare company with products in pharmaceuticals, medical devices, and consumer goods. Procter & Gamble Company, PG, a multinational consumer goods company that produces a wide range of household products. Coca-Cola Company, Co., a global beverage company known for its iconic soft drink brand. IBM, International Business Machines Corporation, a technology company involved in various industries, including hardware, software, and services. AbbVie Inc. AbbVie, a biopharmaceutical company focusing on research and development in various therapeutic areas. Remember that high dividend yield stocks can be attractive to income-focused investors, but they may also come with risks. A high dividend yield could indicate that the stock price has declined, or it might not be sustainable in the long term. Always perform thorough research on the financial health and performance of a company before investing, and consider diversifying your portfolio to manage risk effectively. Additionally, consulting with a financial advisor can provide personalized guidance based on your investment goals and risk tolerance.